What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to create an account on HMRC app. The first thing you'll need to do is to create a government gateway account. This will act as your secure sign-in for all HMRC online services. The HMRC app will allow you to access these services quickly. Step 1. Gather your documents. You need to have your insurance number and either your passport or your recent P60 ready. Then go over to the HMRC website, we have the link in the description below. Then create your government gateway account. You can do this by looking for the option sign in, then enter your email address, which you'll be receiving an email for a verification code. Then enter this code to confirm your email. Afterward, you want to enter your first name and create a strong password. You will be given your government gateway user ID, which is usually a 12-digit number. Make sure to write this down and keep it safe for future use. Then next, you'll need to choose the account type. There are options such as individual, organization, and tax agent, so choose what applies to you. Next, you'll need to set up your security and verify yourself. You have the option to provide your phone number and choose how you want to receive access codes. After all this, you'll be asked for your personal identification information. This includes your national insurance number, your date of birth, and other details about your income and employment status. And then you can go ahead and download the HMRC app. You can finally open the app and use your government gateway ID and password which you just created to sign into the app. Of course, for quick access later, you could set up other verification options to log into the app, such as your PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition.